2026 budget is $1.07 trillion for 26, right? And so between 48 billion and 113 billion of that um, is going to go to award contracts for modernization and replenishment. So modernization to public companies, whether it be um, Paladine, Kratos Defense, AeroVironment. I mean, the lists are endless, but um, they're going to be awarding billions and billions of dollars this year to these companies, and I mean, that's a big deal. I mean, the Shield program alone, our Golden Dome, if you will, that's $151 billion in spending, right? And that's going to be all modern equipment. We're not talking about Lockheed Martin and Raytheon here. We're talking about AI companies and
Hmm.
autonomous companies that are building our future military. That's happening right now. So that's I don't know. I've never seen spending like this. But it's going to be great for a lot of these companies, even these small cap companies. Oh, here's $1 billion. Well, that's a game
Right.
changer. Look at the balance. I mean, it's a game changer, the balance sheet. So I say, look at these smaller companies right now, because one of these contracts could change everything for those stock prices.